It's expensive. It's one of those closed. You know it's so dangerous.
With the roof.
If there's a roof, it's expensive. There's another one, the roof.
Travel has
Oh no. Oh, French fries, French fries. There, right in front of you. Yeah, it says here, French fries.
here we go.
500 yen. What? Oh, it's big. I want thin.
Yeah.
Here.
That's French.
Yeah. Look, it's a potato.
This is sweet potato.
Ah. Never mind. It's 540.
Never.
Or you said we need to
What?
spend the yens. Asimo. Nobody here is wearing kimono. I'm not feeling it.
Huh?
I'm not feeling this.
What? Roof.
Yeah, it's the roof. Makes me angry. What are you gonna buy?
I don't know, I'm checking because you say the other ones, right?
Arigatou gozaimasu. Can you show me? Show. Open.
Yeah.
On. Looks hard.
アイドルの日に。